Welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10. Now you may be asking yourself exactly why in the hell would he be putting a Ford 9-inch rear end in his C-10 pickup? Well, the first answer is the availability of parts and the price. And let's be honest, Chevy guys, when the Ford 9-inch is built properly, they are strong as hell. We chose to go with PEM because we actually had our housing built during COVID, so a lot of people were struggling to get parts in and have production going. We chose to go with the filler deck for an ease in filling our fluid, and the recessed jack stub surrounding our drain plug to protect it so whenever we jacked the truck up and down we wouldn't damage it. A back brace was added to strengthen our rear end, and we upgraded to the 35 spline axles because, hey, they're only $30 more, so that was a no-brainer. So, that's exactly what the hell I was thinking. Please like and subscribe.